I had in the back of my mind that I'd like to do some more interesting flying. The Chipmunk is colloquially known as the poor man's Spitfire. Offers everything that other Warbirds do, but it's a small aeroplane, it's a lighter aeroplane. I happened to see an ad for an Australian one that was in bits. Next thing you know, I've got a project.
Took it apart, assessed it all, and then came back with this great long list of, we will need all these bits.
Stan's 84 years old. That comes with its challenges.
What do I do? Make holes in my bloody self most of the time.
We needed a certificate of airworthiness. We got that at just after 1 o'clock yesterday, and then we were ready for the first test flight. At about 1,800 feet, got a sudden drop in power. The upward spiral became a downward spiral. Wasn't me.
Switches off.
This is the opportunity to do it once, do it well. And at the end of it, there's going to be one more chipmunk flying in the world.